Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to export all bookmarks on Google Chrome at once. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna have to open up Google Chrome on your desktop, Windows or Mac, and once the Google Chrome is opened up, at the top right you can see we have these three dots here. So just click on this and then just go to the bookmarks here and don't click OK. And in this bookmarks we can see we have this option where it says bookmark manager. So just click on this, okay, and then these are all our bookmarks here, okay. So you can basically like export them one by one, and if you want to export them all or to share them all at once, you will click on these three dots here, not these three dots at the top right, at here. Click on this one, and then here you can see we have this option of export bookmarks, okay. So click on this one and then it will ask from you the location where you want to export it. So just give it a location and then just tap on save, and it will export it in that specific location. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.